If you've ever wondered which serums actually work best for your skin, today's video is for you. I'll be sharing the most effective serums for all skin types and also breaking down the best serums for specific skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, aging, and so much more. So whether you're oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, I've got you covered. So make sure you watch this video to the very end to determine the best serum for your skin goals. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing this face for the first time, you're so welcome to Choose Skincare Diaries. This is a safe space where I discuss everything skincare product recommendations, skincare product reviews, everything soft life. Trust me. My name is Chisom Precious and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It encourages me. Thank you so much. Now, before I dive into product recommendations, let's quickly talk about why serums are so powerful. Unlike other creams or moisturizers, serums are lightweight formulas packed with concentrated active ingredients. This means that they penetrate deeply into your skin to directly target issues like dark spots, fine lines, acne, and dehydration. So trust me when I say using the right serum can literally transform your skin over time. Let's start with universal serums that work for almost everyone, no matter your skin type. First is your niacinamide serum. It balances oil production, it brightens your skin, and it strengthens your skin barrier. A good option is the ordinary niacinamide serum, which is forever my fave, or Good Molecules niacinamide serum, which is still very, very good. Then number 2 is the hyaluronic acid serum, and I call this like the ultimate hydrator. This literally locks moisture and plumps your skin. And thirdly is the vitamin C serum, which is perfect for brightening, for fading dullness, and also it protects your skin from sun damage. And I recommend Timeless Vitamin C plus E Ferulic Acid Serum, and also Stellene Vitamin C Serum. That's if you're looking for something budget friendly and very effective. Now let's go deeper into skin concerns because not every serum works for every skin issue. For acne-prone skin, go for salicylic acid serums like Paula's Choice and also niacinamide serums because they work wonders for calming your breakouts and redness. For hyperpigmentations and dark spots, you need to go for alpha Arbutin serums like the ordinary alpha Arbutin serum, and also vitamin C serum and niacinamide is actually excellent for evening out your skin tone. For dry and dehydrated skin, hyaluronic acid serum should be your best friend. You could go for the CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's very, 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 very good and very hydrating. You could also add Panthenol or snail mucin serum, just like the Cosrx snail mucin essence. For anti-aging and fine lines, Retinol is like the gold, like the gold medal. You could go for the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. It's very, very good, very effective. Peptide serums also help to firm and smoothen the skin. Then for sensitive and redness-prone skin, you should go for soothing serums like this Centella serum, also which is commonly called the Sika serum, and also this Skin 100 for Madagascar is also a very, very great option. Also, using niacinamide in low concentration would help to calm the inflammation on your skin. So here's a quick tip. Don't overload your routine with too many serums at once. Don't do it. Just start with 1 or 2 based on your biggest skin concern and use consistently for about 6 to 8 weeks. And also don't forget to patch test before you go full in on any products. So that's it guys on today's video on effective serums for all skin types and skin concerns, starting from dark spots and acne to anti-aging and hydration. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite serum right now? Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please drop a like, share this video to someone, drop a comment for me, ask me questions. I'm open and willing to respond to all questions, and share this video to your friend who's gonna need it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Ciao.